Welcome, fellow plant enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a delightful journey into the world of growing your very own tomato plant. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Seed preparation. Begin by selecting top-notch tomato seeds. Soak them overnight for a quick germination boost. Plant them in small pots with seed starting mix, keeping the soil moist in a sunny spot. Step 2. Transplanting. Once your seedlings reach 3 to 4 inches tall with true leaves, transplant them to a sunny, well-draining spot in your garden. Remember to space them out for optimal growth. Step 3. Supporting the plants. Give your tomatoes the support they need to thrive. Stakes, cages, or trellises will keep them upright and fruits off the ground. Step 4. Watering and feeding. Keep your tomatoes happy with consistent deep watering, mulching for moisture retention, and regular balanced fertilizer feedings. Step 5. Harvesting. When your tomatoes are vibrant in color and slightly soft, it's time to harvest. Gently twist and pull them from the vine for the freshest taste. Now, let's avoid some common pitfalls: over or underwatering, insufficient sunlight, overcrowding, neglecting pruning, pests, poor soil, crop rotation, and timing your harvest. Remember, tomatoes thrive on sunlight, consistent watering, fertile soil, balanced feeding, and good air circulation. And for a culinary delight, try whipping up fresh tomato salsa, tomato basil soup, or a classic caprese salad with your homegrown tomatoes. Growing tomatoes not only rewards you with fresh produce, but also a sense of accomplishment. If you found this journey enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy planting!